Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Zerlina Nathaniela Virus from 12.5. This video is storytelling of Cinderella. Once upon a time, there lived a beautiful and sweet girl named Cinderella. She lived with a very close stepmother and two evil stepsisters. Every day, Cinderella has to do homework and is tormented by her stepmother and stepsister. But Cinderella never hates or gets angry. One day, the king's son sent an invitation to a grand ball at the palace. The ugly sisters spent against deciding what to wear, and Cinderella had to help them get their set and brush their hair. There was no question of Cinderella going to the ball in her rags. Suddenly, her fairy godmother appeared. "Don't cry, child," she said. "Of course you can go to the ball, but first we'll need a few bits and pieces. Get me one pumpkin, 6 little mice, one large rat, and 6 lizards." Well, Cinderella could not think how a pumpkin and some animals were going to to end the ball, but she looked at her godmother asked. Her fairy godmother waved her wand and whoosh! The pumpkin disappeared, and in its place stood a beautiful coach. Then she waved her wand again. The 6 little mice turned into a team of handsome carriage horses. The rat was soon a rather fat coachman, and the lizard became 6 footmen. So now Cinderella had a lovely coach to take her to the ball, but she was still in her rags. Her godmother smiled and tapped her arms with her wand. Immediately, Cinderella wears a beautiful blue dress. "Now, off you go," said her godmother. "But remember, at midnight everything will go back to the way it was. So you must be home before then." Cinderella promised, then stepped into the beautiful coach. The 6 white horses set off toward the king's palace. Everyone at the ball stopped dancing when the mysterious stranger arrived. Cinderella looked beautiful in her gold dress, and everyone thought she was a princess from a foreign country. Even her two stepsisters were fooled. The prince was just as curious as everyone else. From the moment Cinderella came into the ballroom, her dance with no one else. By the end of the evening, Hans was madly in love with his beautiful princess, and he didn't even know her name. And Cinderella was just as much in love with the prince. But as they were dancing, Cinderella suddenly heard the chimes of the palace clock. "Oh no!" she cried. "It must be midnight." Cinderella ran away from the prince, out of the ballroom and down the palace steps, losing one of her glass slippers and along the way. By the time she reached the bedroom step, the clock had finished striking 12, and Cinderella was in rags again. The prince ran after Cinderella, but all he found was the beautiful glass slipper from the steps. "Send out a proclamation," he said. "I will marry the person who fits this slipper. Well, ask every woman in the kingdom to try on the slipper." So the prince went to every house in the kingdom, and soon he came to the house where Cinderella lived with her stepsisters. Of course, the ugly sisters were very angry to try the luck, but no matter how hard they passed their big feet into the glass slipper, it didn't fit. So Cinderella came forward to try on the slipper, to the amazement of her stepsister. It fitted perfect. The prince looked up the Cinderella face to recognize the beautiful princess he had danced with at the ball. So he married Cinderella. They lived happily ever after.